Series 8 reviews degrees of difference. Next to the Apple Watch Ultra, the Series 8 may be too subtle an upgrade for many, but its health feature feel more evolved than ever. The Apple Watch Series 8 starting at $399, €419, €629 AU dollars joins the temperature sensing wearable pack with a new wrist sensor of its own. Temperature sensing wearable have been a trend these past few years, from the Fitbit Sense to the Aura range, Amazon's Hello Band, and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. A few weeks ago, I got sick and a little ring on my finger let me know my temperatures was elevated. So in my experience, temperature reading isn't just another check the box feature. Also, this isn't the only new Apple Watch. The lower cost Apple Watch SE and more expensive Apple Watch Ultra make a broad range going from $249 up to $799 and beyond. Apple Watch Series 8 like fast performance, temperature tracking and car crash detection. Watch OS 9 upgrade are greater. Don't like. Battery life isn't improved. No much analysis of temperature results. Similar feel to last year's Series 7. This year, with 3 new Apple Watches, the challenge is knowing which one to get. If any, Apple's use of temperature, however, might not be enough to consider an upgrade to the Series 8 this year, especially if you already own a Series 7 or Series 6. Still, the Series 8 is likely the best middle of the road choice, with the one expectations of unchanged battery life. After wearing Apple's latest watch on my wrist of a couple of weeks, the Series 8 looks identical to last year's Apple Watch Series 7 and has most of the same features. New to the 8 it is its temperature sensor, along with improved gyroscope and kilometer mention sensors that are now able to detect car crashes and make SOS calls in the event of an emergency. I didn't test the car crash feature for obvious reasons, and temperature data isn't being used by Apple of calculate deeper insight or health guidance yet. Beyond being used to help track evolution, but features could ever well end up being useful over time, but how useful remains to be seen. But without an upgraded battery life, this watch still doesn't feel ideally suited for overnight sleep, and temperature tracking. The best part of the Apple Watch this year is its software improvements. Watch OS 9 adds a number of extra that are really great. A compass app that now tracks your steps via GPS to help you navigate back home during hikes, medication tracking, multi-stage sleep tracking, and a low power mode that shuts down some functions to extend battery life. But you don't need a new watch for these. A free update to watch OS 9 could give you these upgrade and make you feel like you already have a new watch. Apple's approach to improving its watch over time has been a steady accumulation of upgradeness and always on displays on ears, blood oxygen. The next, a slightly larger display